Hello, I'm back. So I'm just going to put this in here beneath the wings. I'm okay. LOL. Well, last but not least, that's what I'm trying to say. Just put right here, stick it up, stick it in, whatever they say, whatever they call. Come like this, okay? I hate that hanging glue. There we go. It's better. There. Flying. Usually I'm not gonna worry about putting the legs, because some birds, when they going to fly, they hide their wings. They hide their feet somewhere there. That way it won't be, in their way. So if they're gonna go landing, so the leg and the feet is automatic come out, and they landing like that. But when they go fly, they hide that wing. That way, one in the way, and then whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. LOL. So see you a little bit. I'm just gonna put something in there to cover the excuse me, and eyes, and ready to hook in the flower. Okay, the flying bird. Thank you very much. Hello, I'm back. Now I'm going to about to put a stem for the buds by the middle of the flower, but I just cannot put glue and just trusting to put in there, because this thing here is not gonna stick. It's not gonna stay in place. It's gonna come off. I got that from my experience. So what I do, I will put about this inch, okay? 1 inch. 1 inch for this, okay? And then just glue it. Just a dot of glue, and glue it right there. That way it will hold, okay? There. That's only my idea. I'm okay. And then I stick that in here to make a stem. Okay, that way it can glue good. Okay. And hold it like that about a few seconds or so. You can glue it in here that you're about to finish the bud, or you can glue it over here, but to make it for me to hold, see, then I stick this in here. Okay, I glue it, glue it. I glue it right there and squeeze it tightly. And you just have to glue it more to close it on the bottom, not on the top, because this is going to be almost to blowing out, to bloom the buds. That's why the bird is going to suck the nectar out of it. And then just, fix it as usual. See, it's not moving, not much, because I did my idea. It's up to you what you're gonna do. Okay, see, now it's tight now, but I'm still going to glue this to make it tighter, like that. I know this glue is a pain, or LOL. I can hardly say LOL. Okay, I'm just gonna clean that later on. So since this is going to bloom, so I'm going to open like that. Okay, this is the buds. Adjust everything you can. Okay. I'm just gonna cut this. Very strong. Really? Okay then. I'm gonna use this tool to cut your. There you go. There we go. Everything is falling down. So this here is about to bloom. Okay. And you just have to glue more glue because this is stubborn. It's not cooperating. Okay. That's what I put the green there. Those is the nectar. That bird is gonna suck it to it, baby. There you go. There. Yeah. There you go. And then, of course, I have to glue this like that. Okay. Glue it over here. And just go put some like this. Okay. Press a little. Be like that. And I go to the other side. Oops, almost goofed there. And glue it right here. Okay. Gonna be look like this. You rinse and fix it later. See, that's why this glue is all over the place. Now it's gonna be look like this, okay? So this little thing down there, you can use that to cover that, to hold the little stem there. You hold it like this. Because you are going to cover that stem anyway. So just leave a few things. Okay, it's gonna be look like this. Sorry, can't see too much, but gonna be like this. Okay, so you just keep going and keep going. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye for now. Okay, hi, I'm back. So there it is. The buds is about to open, and the birds is going to suck the buds right there. Okay, so we are going to put the bird in here like that. See, like that. And I'm going to glue that. This is my impossible project. Impossible project. LOL. I need more glue to hold it tight for this. To hold it really, really. There it is. And I can just push this a little bit, you know, have to adjust that wherever I can to make it happen. My impossible project. That I need to glue more over here, the stronghold, just a little bit closer, like that. I don't know, it's being glued yet. So do the best you can. This. And just adjust as much as you can. I can here. There we go. All I'm just gonna do is wrap it up with a floral tape all over, and I will put some leaf over here. Okay, so there it is. I show you the finale. Bye bye for now. Hello, I'm back. I'm going to make different kind of leaves. Okay. What I need is one of the 30 centimeter or 12 inches long of pipe cleaner, and just the half of this. The half of that is 6 inches. Okay, it's 12. Half of the 12 is 6 inches. Okay, so I need those. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold that in the middle, and I have to fold this and insert like this, cross like that, and pinch it. Pinch that. That way it'll make it strong. And you put in the middle. Okay, it's gonna be like this. Okay, but the longest one here is I have to put a bend again, bend, and bend again. Okay, 2 bend. Then you turn like that. So you just kind of making that bend again, bend, pull, and bend again, bend, and make a bend again, and make it this kind of shape. All right, after you do that, after I do that, I have to hold it, all of them together. Of course, you always adjust that. Okay, it's a matter of adjusting again. And when you hold that, you just tie this and make it tighter and grab it together and make both twisted like that. Okay, flatten it. There's, you got another different kind of style of leaf. Okay, there you go. You got 2. Now you just adjust it till you're satisfied. Now this is the birds. That going almost eating the nectar. Okay, and I'm just gonna put that somewhere like this, glue that. Okay, I'm just gonna glue that. Glue it somewhere. Okay. And the other one, just glue it somewhere else. Can glue it somewhere right here. Okay, just stick it somewhere right there. Okay, sorry if I keep moving around. Like that. Like that is fine. Get some more glue over here. Press a little. And just go ahead and wrap it. You're gonna raise the tail for a while. Excuse me. Raise you up first. And just tie this to leaf with that floral tape. Okay? There. The stronghold. I have to cut you too long. And there we go. Tie really hard. And just put another dots of glue. And this glue is almost gone. LOL. What we'll manage. Nothing is impossible to make it possible, to make it happen. And there it is. Okay. Do I sound like I'm yelling? Sorry. Thank you for watching. All I'm gonna do is just put this in here somewhere in one of my collection. Thank you. See you in the next content. Bye bye for now.